What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video will make it better. You feel me? Grab your laptop and just work with me. Let's get it. By the way, pro tip, you can actually turn down the metronome inside of FL Studio. So how you do that is head over to options and then audio, and right here you got like the mixer, and this will allow you to turn down the volume of the metronome inside of the mixer. So like this. And you can even like put effects on it and stuff, but it's like a pro tip, you feel me? So thumbs up for that. It's gonna be crazy, bro. Holy, I'm turned up, bro. Damn. Yeah, pitch down, it sounds way better. Let's just add some drums to this. Damn, that was crazy. This beat, we made it so fast. It was like 30 minutes, bro. It was crazy. I must say the Rhodes kind of was a little bit repetitive, but it fit well with the beat. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys.